Just give you guys a little scoop on what we're shooting today. It's a custom built AR15. I got a HKVP9 over here. The VP is an excellent pistol, one of my favorites. So over the equipment here, we got a Mission First tactical stock, just kind of a bungee single point sling. Elf tactical trigger. Running Anderson upper and lowers. I think all lowers are pretty much the same. They're all slapping their manufacturer names on them, so you're all getting what you're getting there. And SLR handguard. It's a pretty slick trick with the quad on the end. Got the Landtech muzzle brake on front. I just threw on some mag pulls, some M-busses. They're okay. On the flip side, but it's kind of hard to put. Flip side, we got a titanium nitrite coated gold bolt there. Running the ATS Raptus charging handle. Just got mud in that. And then a Wilson Combat barrel. It's 1 1/8 twist. The HK over here is a 9mm, 15 rounds. It's got night sights on it. Front and rear slide serrations. Very ergonomic grip. European paddle style release for the magazine. Pretty nice. So we got the targets hung up. We're gonna bust some rounds for you, put some rounds out them mags, and gonna have some fun.